In this tutorial, I'll show you how to run a retrospective in Confluence. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create a structured retrospective page, gather team feedback, and document action items for future improvements. Start by opening Confluence and navigating to the space where you want to create your retrospective. Click Create to start a new page. When the template gallery opens, search for retrospective and select the retrospective template. If you don't see the template, you can use a blank page and create your own sections. Give your page a clear title such as Sprint 12 Retrospective or Project Alpha Retrospective. Then customize the template by updating the discussion sections to match your team's workflow. Common sections include what went well, what could be improved, action items, and team feedback. Share the page with your team before the meeting so everyone can add their thoughts, comments, or suggestions. During the retrospective, review each section together, discuss the feedback, and assign action items where needed. Once the meeting is complete, update the page with the final decisions and click Publish so the retrospective is available for future reference. That's how to run a retrospective in Confluence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.